How to send Rogadat in HiPal app. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to send Rogadat in HiPal app. Okay, so ensure you watch this video if you don't know how to do it. Okay, so now what you have to do first is make sure you download the HiPal app on your mobile phone. Once you've downloaded it, make sure you've done the settings, you've set your profile picture, profile name, and all that. So once you open the profile, the HiPal app, at the top left corner you see the settings icon. At the top right corner you see the heart friends icon. So HiPal is basically an app where you can, it's a non-official app where you can chat, you can chit chat with your friends, with your loved ones, and your family members and so on. Okay, so at the lower part of the screen you see the chat icon, you see the membership icon also. So under the chat icon you see the list of friends that you have or that you've chatted with on HiPal. So at the membership icon you see the opportunity to subscribe to the HiPal premium offer available on HiPal. Okay, so now to send Rogadat on HiPal app, what you have to do is to click on chat, and you see the option HiPal help. HiPal help. So click on it. Then once you click on it, a screen will be displayed on your screen. Here at the top, at the lower left side of your screen, you see the icon that looks like a finger, a folded finger. Okay, this is it. Just click.
Roger that. Roger that.
So you see, once you click on it, you're going to hear Rogadat. So that is simply how to do it. Make sure you click on it. Okay, also if you want to send it to your friends, here I have limited because I have not subscribed and I do not have friends, but I used the HiPal app. You can also try it while chatting with your friends, your family member, and so on. So you simply click on that folded finger, just like a finger indicating just in form of 6 at the lower left side of your screen. Okay, close to the mic. Okay, click.
Roger that.
So this is it. So you can try it out at your side. Okay, so this is simply how to send Rogadat in HiPal app. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.